My a-hole mother told my daughter that she is a cursed affair child that nobody ever wanted, so I cut contact with her. I, 30F, had an affair child Julia, who is now 4 years old. When I got pregnant, it was a messy situation, as I told the baby's dad that I was pregnant and he completely cut contact with me and blocked me on everything. I ended up going to court to try to get her dad to at least pay child support, but somehow the lawyers were able to find out where he was, and he escaped to Mexico. Needless to say, he was gone and wanted nothing to do with his daughter. I struggled when Julia was younger, and would have family watch her a lot, and inevitably, I had a lot of breakdowns where I was crying because I couldn't afford rent or baby food or clothes, and my mom heard me through all of that. She was also never very supportive of my affair child and said that I should move to Mexico and find the guy and marry him. She said it was my mistake that this happened and that I had to live with the consequences. Throughout the years, I have been able to get myself together, and I currently have a good job and can afford to pay for myself and my daughter without living paycheck to paycheck. Over the holidays, my mother invited us over, so we came, and she was drinking. One thing led to another, and she had drunk too much and was acting very cold towards us and saying whatever came to mind.